Good morning. It is Monday morning yet again. This week we've got a new Lotus Emira. It was planned to be in for PPF and a major correction detail. Yes, it's new, but the dealership that prepped this car completely destroyed it. There's buffer trails, there's swirl marks, you name it, it's on it. So they're paying for that to be rectified. Thankfully, the customers basically said either pay for it or I reject the car. He has since bought another car, so this one might not be staying. We're gonna do a major correction, wax is dead, 10-year ultimate plus wheels off, etc. I'm gonna take you around, do some b-roll shots of the defects. Now, he had this less than a week before I saw it, and I was shocked just how bad this car was. For the mileage it had on it, like 3 months ago. This is when I first inspected it. He's washed it since, so yeah. But these marks were present at that time. Anything added is just negligible because it was that bad. So yeah, I'll walk you around, do some B-roll, and then we'll kick into wet work and then onto the polishing and coating. So see you at the end. So, quick catch up on this. We have got the wheels off. They are ready for treatment of protection. The car is now ready for polishing as well. The front frunk, if you can even call it that, there is no space in there, so I wouldn't even call it. It's more of a service hatch for all of the fan and cooling system. I've had to pop this up because you can't get a polisher in this area if it was down. So yeah, this is why there are marks from sanding and polishing that have been left there, because they've not popped that up to refine it, basically. So yeah, we're going to crack on with the polishing now. I would expect this to be a day, maybe 2 days at a push. Hopefully this paint doesn't give me any headaches. I know it is super soft from what people have told me.